Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad Flex Pro-13IKB. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Many users experience the frustrating issue of their Lenovo Ideapad Flex Pro-13IKB displaying an incorrect battery percentage. This problem can arise due to software glitches or battery calibration issues. If left unresolved, it can lead to unexpected shutdowns and further battery deterioration, leaving you without a reliable device when you need it most. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a prying tool, and a replacement battery compatible with the Lenovo Ideapad Flex Pro-13IKB. To begin, ensure that your device is powered off completely. Carefully turn your laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, gently remove these screws and place them in a safe location. Once the screws are out, use the prying tool to gently lift the back panel, taking care not to apply too much pressure as this could damage the casing. With the panel removed, locate the battery. It will be a rectangular component with a connector attached. Carefully disconnect the battery cable by pulling on the connector, not the wires. After disconnecting the battery, remove the screws that hold it in place. Again, make sure to keep track of these screws. Once the screws are removed, you can lift the battery out of its compartment. Take your replacement battery and place it in the same position, ensuring it fits snugly. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery cable, making sure it is firmly attached to the motherboard. Before replacing the back panel, it's a good idea to power on your device to check if the battery percentage is now displaying correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. If everything looks good, carefully replace the back panel and secure it with the screws. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly calibrate your battery by fully charging and then completely draining it every few months. Additionally, keeping your device updated with the latest software can help reduce glitches. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.